In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to add stickers to photos on your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro. So just go to the photo gallery and load up any photo. So for instance, I'm just gonna load that one up. And then what you want to do is tap on the edit button right here in the bottom. So this edit button, just tap on it. That opens up the editor. Now the next thing you want to do is go to the markup tool, the one that looks like a pen. So tap on that. And then of course, before you can edit, it's going to turn off the live photo effect. Just say okay. And that opens the markup tool selector. So tap on the plus symbol at the bottom there and then select add sticker. Now once you select that, that's going to open up stickers. So you have smileys, you have all these stickers you can add to your photos. So for instance, if you want to add this one, let me tap on it. And then as you can see, we can go ahead and resize that. Okay, and then that's it. So you can change the opacity of that particular sticker. And then when you're done, let's just move it here. Okay, when you're done, you can just tap on done in the top right corner and then confirm by tapping on done once again. And as you can see, we now have a sticker on that photo. And that is basically how to add stickers. Now, if you have some custom stickers of maybe your own images, then you can also add them to photos. But that's a whole separate video. This is just how to add stickers. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below. If you have any, if you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like and maybe even subscribe for more tips. And until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Good luck.